Now here we have the multiple pages. Now we want to create our own page. As you can see, this is our website. This website have a home, about, service, project, or contact page. So we can create more pages like our tour plans. Okay, so you can see there's no any plans page, or we can create a career page or any page we want to create. So how we can do this? So go to the dashboard. You can see we have pages, but before creating the pages, we need a website builder. We need a website builder that can create a website very easy. Now in the go to the plugin section, and as you can see here, we have some plugins, right? Now I'm going to install one amazing plugin that is called Elementor. Okay, so click on add plugin and just use here Elementor. Okay, so you can use other website builder also, but most of the website builder are bad. Okay, so Elementor is a free website builder. They have a pro version also, but most of the thing you can easily complete with the Elementor free plan. Okay, so you don't need to buy any premium Elementor plan. So let me just install now. Okay, click on install now. For how we can install plugins, simply click on the install and then we need to click on the activate. Okay, once you activate, our plugin is done. Okay, so this is the process. First of all, we need to search the plugin, then click on the install and then click on the activate. Now we have the Elementor plugin here. Okay, let me just refresh it. Yeah, isn't it? I need to create a page. Okay, so go to the pages option and here I'm going to just click on the add page. Okay, like this. And suppose I'm going to create a career page, or let's try to create the service page. Okay, so we already have service page, but I'm going to create another service page. Okay, so I'm going to just type here services. Okay, now what I'll do here, I'm going to just make it public, right? Now I need to add it something here. As you can see here, this is the default block. So I can't do much editing here. I can just only add the para, images and list and gallery. But I need to make my design unique. I need to make a design like this or something else. Okay. I need to make the wonderful design. How can I do this? So simply click on the added with Elementor. Okay. We are designing the page here. Okay. So we just click on the edit with Elementor. Now Elementor will open and our page will open here. Okay. Now, till now, I'm going to just go to the dashboard here. Okay. And as good as this, go to the pages. And we all know that we created just one page services. As you can see here, this is the Elementor. Just click on view. And this is our blank page here. Okay. Now we are editing here. You can see this is the notifier. Just let's do it. Now you can see, just cross this. Now you can see there's a one, like this is the section. Okay. Let's click on the plus icon and you can see which layout you want we would like to use. So Flexbox or grid. So always use the Flexbox like this. And we have some options like you can just add this one. Now whenever I add this one, so I have the whole one section, the whole one row. Okay, so I can add one component. Suppose let's try to add component. So you can see the plus icon in the left top corner. Click on this and element, just search here, suppose the images and just drag and drop this. So we added one image here, but click on the image and add one image like this one and just select this. Now we added that image like this. That image size is like this. So that's why. And you can see the image resolution. So you can make it full like this. But the image size is still like this. So let's try to change the image. Okay. And I'm going to try some full image or the big image. As you can see this one. Let's try this one. You can see this. So we added the image. Now what I'm going to do here, I don't want to add the image here. I want to add some text here. Okay. And I want to make that text to the center. And I want to make the left side image and right side contents. How can I do this? So whenever you want to do this, so you're required to have a one row and then in the second step, you need a two row. Okay. So how can I do this? So let me just cross this. In the left side, you'll see the container here. Okay. Just drag and drop that container like this. Cool. And just drag and drop the grid. Okay. Now I need only one row. Okay. Just scroll down. You can see the two row. I'm going to just make it one row and I need one column. Okay. I need a one row also and one column. So simply just make it one like this. Now click on the plus icon here and just add that heading. You can see the heading. Just drag and drop this like this. Fantastic. We have added the heading. Now let me just say here our services. Cool. Now I'm going to make it as center. So in the left side, you will see here, whenever you add any component, you will get the style option in every component. And you will get a setting how we can make it in a center, left, right align. So go to the style and you can see the alignment. I'm going to make it center. This. Now I want to change the color also, okay, our services. So scroll down, you can see the text color. Just click on this and just change this to black like this. Cool. Now I need here one more section. Okay, I need here 2 rows. Okay, so how can I do this? So simply just go click on plus icon, add container here, just add the grid under this, and in that grid I'm gonna make that column row should be the 1 and the column should be 2 like this. Okay, now here we need to add the left side image. Okay, so click on the plus icon and add the one image here like this, and the right side I need a content. So first click on that choose image and select an image like this one, like this, and in the right side I'm going to just add the content, but I'm going to make that image should be the full width. Okay, so change that image to make it something larger image, or I'm going to download that any image from the Pixabay. So go to the Pixabay and download some images, suppose travel. Okay, so you can use the Pixabay images. It's totally free of cost. So you can, whenever you create a website, make sure don't use the Google's image. Always use the Pixabay or Unplus or other website. Get an image from that. Okay, so this one image I like it. Okay, so let's download this. Download. Let's go to the page here and let's go to the upload file, select file, and go to the download, and we have one image here. Fantastic. Let's select this and we have that image. Wow. Now in the right side, I'm gonna add the heading and content. Okay. So click on plus icon. You can see the option of text editor. This one, just drag and drop this. Cool. So we have a normal text. So you can write it down anything like, okay. So I'm gonna just make it the dummy content with here like this. So we can see we have a content like this. So we have a heading, we have a left side image and right side content. Now you can copy this section. Okay. So just right click on that and you can see the duplicate option like this. This just click on this. Now we have a duplicate, but I want to just shift this. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just change that here like this. Fantastic. So we have a left side image, right side content, left side content, right side image. So this is the page. Let me just make it publish. Okay. This is the blank page. Let me just refresh it. Wow, fantastic. We create a simple and amazing app. The heading, image, text, right?